The Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Idahosa, don promise the people of Ovia say the Okpebholo-led administration go be government wey go serve all Edo people, not be only APC members. The Deputy Governor make this promise when the two Ovia local government areas visit am for im office for Government House on Wednesday, December 4, 2024 to officially congratulate am for becoming Deputy Governor and bringing the victory to Ovia. For im speech, the Deputy Governor come talk say women get and play important role for elections, and now when the elections don finish, make dem go back, carry everybody along and work together for the betterment of Edo State. E come also assure dem say the state government go always put the interest of Edo people first, no matter wetin concern dem personal interest.
The leadership of our party in these two local governments, in Ovia North East and Ovia Southwest, both women leaders are here, and all the world women leaders. Women are the bedrock of every victory in any election. Without women, election cannot be won. But we have won election now. My principal and I, we are not going to be governor and deputy governor of APC. We are going to be the governor and deputy governor of the good people of Edo State. So I also beg that you take this message back to your various wards and local government. Those that work for us and those that did not work for us, that there should be any division. We should bring everybody on board and let's work for the interests of Edo people. For us, as a state government, we are here to put the people of Edo first before our interests. I want you to also do the same because we want a better Edo. And if that happens, because once you take people first or put the people of Edo interest first, when it comes to any elections, any policies and programs, they will also reciprocate. So on behalf of my boss, the governor of Edo State, I want to welcome you once again. I thank you for what you have done today. I know distant time, I'll be coming back to my federal constituency to come and say, Wawese. I'm very wakai.
The woman leader Sonata Eweka from Ovia North East and Victoria Avianyo for Ovia Southwest come talk say belle sweet dem well for the deputy governor victory and say the victory go make things better for both Ovia people and Edo State as a whole.
It's a blessing for Ovia as a whole, especially if voters. Before I pray for you personally, I have come to you as your sister, your mother, as a member of the family, as a prodigal mother. I have come to beg you.
Like she has rightly said, and Ovia South, we are here this day to facilitate with you on your emergence as the Deputy Governor of Edo State. We would have done this earlier, but because of, there was no time to do it because after the election, we know that you went back to Abuja and you come to Benin briefly and there was no time to actually book to see you. So by the grace of God, we are privileged to be here this morning. We are happy as Ovia people. We are happy as Ovia people that Ovia has emerged to the glory of God.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.